Okay, so trying out this new little mic today. I don't know if it's working yet or not. I'll know when I play the video back. But anyway, I'm going to go out here and feed the horses, get some corn to take out to the goats in the field, and sprinkle it out. They should be out in the pasture by now. If not, then I'll give it to them up there at the barn. I'm gonna stop and see if the chickens have any eggs, because I decided yesterday, as hot as it's been, like I need to be getting the eggs probably 2-3 times a day versus waiting until the very end of the day after they've sat in the heat this long. So we're gonna stop and check them out. Hello, ladies. How was your evening? Yard chickens ate some of their corn. Y'all did pretty good with yours. I need to get the water bucket, give it a good cleaning, and refill it. I'm going to be washing. I need to find some bleach. I'm going to be washing out water buckets today. All right, so we got 2, so I'm going to go ahead and pick them up. They feel nice and cool, so that's good. This is a little egg holder that we have, and I put them, towards the back. I don't put them right here because then not always basically the oldest egg you're pulling from the bottom here. I just continuing to put them back this way. There it is. So our yard roosters, I guess, are not going to kill each other. So it looks like they've made it to the age that they're going to be good. Now remember, they're going to be like a medium looking chicken. They're not going to be your bigger game rooster looking chickens. But I've named them after the last names of 3 presidents. So their names are Jefferson, Washington, and Lincoln. That's what I've decided on for our 3 yard roosters. Maybe I'll get some footage of them today. I know we have some bleach out in a truck somewhere. I'm trying to remember where Melvin told me that there was some bleach at. I think he said in the back of the Dodge truck, but I'm going to need that to clean all of our water drinking buckets and bins for the animals out today. Yep, there's some over there. I don't know if any's in it. No, there's not even a lid on that. Bucket over there, but I bet you I'm gonna run the same thing. I think I might have some inside. If not, it's gonna be a trip to the store. Okay, there definitely ain't nothing in that one. And they are not in the field yet. There's Mabel over there. She's always hollering something at you. And if I had to guess what it was, corn is what she's hollering. I'm going to throw them out, some corn out here into this more like sunny looking area in the back there by that hill. And you got to, I told you this in the last video, but mostly parasites will be on blades of grass is where they pick up a parasite at. So as long as the dirt has had some sunlight, good to go. Now once I give them this corn, they'll make their way out to the fields, the property, and eat. I mean, that's one of the reasons that we have goats, is to keep our property clean. You don't have to do it yourself. You don't have to run a tractor to bush hog or get up under the underbrush. The goats, they do all of that. So, looks like I'm fixing to hop in the truck, run to the Dollar General, and grab some bleach. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and give Sunshine her feed first. She's back there telling me she wants the feed, so I'm going to give her feed and then go get the bleach. So we got 3 different kinds of feed in here. The feed with the high protein, which I put in first. See, it's kind of the darker in there. Got the cracked corn, and then the brown is the sweet feed. And remember, she's pregnant, so she gets all this mixed up extra goodie for her and the baby. Hey, Sunshine. Right here today. And Melvin fixed the fence yesterday that I was working on the other day where Lacey was jumping in. So he added, you can see right, a T-post here, here, and I think right there. Where to put another one. So you can see it kind of goes up at an angle right there, the fence. That's where she was jumping it. I don't know, we'll see. But this will be the ultimate test right here because Sunshine's right here with this feed. And Lacey's right there. She's already like, got the, see the feed bucket over there with Sunshine. Thinking about coming over. So I'm bringing their water bucket back to them until I get the bleach. It's probably going to be about lunchtime because I just realized that our Dodge truck is hooked to the trailer still from when we went to get hay. We haven't used the truck since, so it's still hooked to that. And I do not know how to unhook that. I just know that it looks like you got to be strong to do it when he's out there unhooking it. So I could probably use a lesson in that, learn to do it myself. So I had some here in a bucket. I'm gonna pour them some more water so I have plenty till I get the bleach. I don't want to use my inside bleach. I got to thinking about that because then I won't have bleach when I need it inside. So you got to have your outside bleach and your inside bleach. All right, so I found the bleach, but as you can see from sweat and everything, I've got into something else. We're over cleaning up the property around our new house that's being built. There's just garbage, just random stuff that builds up when a house is being built, just scattered throughout, and we needed to mow with the tractor. So Melvin's over there mowing, so I've just been going in front of him and picking up garbage before he can get to it and run it over. And we live by a convenience store, so I also have been out by the road picking up garbage along the road right there that blows out or people throw out of their vehicles when they go by. Okay, I'm about to clean this bucket out.
Once you change it to that one right there, baby, you can handle it.
What one? That's true, they really don't need a water bucket this big.
Homestead the hard way.
Yeah.
You done pulled out with real boots, didn't you?
Yeah, but it's got to be cleaned anyways.
Lay it in the sun right there, and the sun will clean it. Kill all of it and flake it off.
Yeah, well, I'm fixing to do a video. I got a video right now of a before and after. It's going to be very satisfying to watch that.
Okay.
I change clothes here. Okay.
Your show ought to be called Homestead the Super Hard Way.
Yeah. Well, we can't take his name.
$12 worth of bleach.
I just trained Boo to use that blue one right there. I got a scrub behind here the other day. Alright, you can see the bleach is doing its thing in here. Starting to eat that away. Why ain't my... hose and now it won't come out. She's out there at the house, I think. Well, shoot. Still ain't working. Melvin, why is my water...
Oh, I turned sunshine's on.
Oh, I need yours to be empty too so I can clean it.
Alright, let me tell you what to do. Okay? Right here. That line came down. Okay? It goes to one side. Or strap forward. Or hold forward. Okay. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna send it to you first. 2 buckets. Okay. So we start with the bucket and we put another bucket. And get pour a little bit, you know, let it get mixed with me. And if you find you like a big trash can like that, anything to mix it. And I put a little bit of water on mine, then this here, it falls apart. And then you go. You need to feel each hog 1.5. And that's about 6 pounds. Okay, what you're supposed to do like and then it's just rolling. What did I say? It comes out to it's $11 a sack. Okay. It'll make here, take this with you. It'll make 250 pounds. Here's $20. $9.29 for the other one. We'll break it down to $11.
Today or 8 a.m. tomorrow?
In the morning at 8. We'll be up. We'll get up about 7.
I'll bring Jerry today because he has a couple things.
Okay. Don't forget your feet. We'll run to the pig pen and get rid of old Leroy, whatever y'all call him. Okay. Nice, Steve.
Steve, Leroy,
All right.
nuts, guts, whatever.
Right. Whew. Looks pretty good to me. One more thing of bleach on it. Just a second. fill it up. Nice being filled up, fresh and clean. I'm going to get the chicken water bucket to do it. All right, there it is, the end result. Beautiful blue water. You could just swim in it. Look at that. Okay, now it's time to wash the chicken water bucket, and it's pretty rank looking, so can you see that? All right, let's get this one washed. Let me get it on just so it don't fall off of there. Bleach. All right, if you hear some commotion there in the back, I don't know if you can hear it on the phone or not from there, but that's back at the pig pen, and my daddy's hunting dogs are back there. And there must be, I heard a pig squealing because they're getting some pigs and selling them to somebody right now. So that's why you might hear some commotion back there. All right, time to wash the chicken water bucket. So a little water with that so it don't burn the skin off of my hand. Not to break the little red cup off the side there while I'm washing it. That has happened before. I really could take that out. I'll do that because I need to clean it out anyway. Okay. I don't want to rinse all the bleach out of there yet because it really needs to sit. Oh my God, did you see that?
What's he doing there, Lace?
I just squirted myself in the face with the water hose on camera. You know, like when something happens and you look around like, is anybody watching? And I'm like, oops. This actually feels pretty good in this weather. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Take this little cup out. I was doing. was working on my lawnmower over there, my little push mower. I've had it about 4 years, 5 years. But it's been at his daddy's house. I don't think anybody's used it in that time. It just got left there. And we went and got it back yesterday, and because I got to do some mowing at our new house. We have a sidewalk in between and in between the sidewalk and the house, it's going to have a push mower there. It's big enough for the push mower. I don't even think I have to use a weed eater. If the gap was smaller, I'd have to use a weed eater, but I think the gap's big enough there. A couple spots still bothering me. Okay. I'm now satisfied with this bucket, Melvin.
What?
I'm now satisfied with this bucket. Some of it's a bit permanent on there. Like paint. Well, got Voodoo's water really dirty there. I have to change that again. This little cup right here gets nasty and you gotta spray the stuff out of it. It'll get blocked with so much crud in there. You gotta clean it out. Actually looks dirty right now. I need to get some bleach in that. This thing's starting to like dry rot a piece of this. I'm gonna have to order a new one. That one's went as long as it can. Hey, Shorty. What is it? So I'm pouring some bleach in this. You can see that. And there it gets really nasty. Like right there. Let that sit a second. Still nasty. I might put a stick or something in that. Zip tie. Here, see? Look at all that gunk coming out of there. This and that gets clogged. It still drips out, but sometimes it will completely clog up. It hadn't yet. That's surprising how dirty that is. It hadn't clogged up. That's better. Clean. Okay. knees popping when I get up. That means you're getting old.
Exactly what that means.
Yep. I will be 38 next month. I mean 39, not 38.
Trying it, wasn't you?
Melvin's over here working on the lawnmower like I just said a minute ago. So the carburetor needed cleaning out. Right? Is that the carburetor?
Mm-hmm.
So we can get that cleaned out and then get her fired up. I'll be mowing.